Morning all. I haven't had a live game commentary for quite a while, so let's see on the 5-minute auto pairing if I can get a game. Or a 3-minute game. We've 5 minute more time for commentary. So which type of players are online at the moment? Volkov, GM, Volkov. Okay, Yellow Submarine, 2184. I think Morris Smith. It's good fun. With F4. Confusion factor, if anything. If anything else. Okay, so he's going to let me castle without taking that diagonal, or will he play Queen B6? Oh, it's Queen B6 is knight D5. He needs to play E6 because Queen B6 knight D5. So if I'm able to castle on King H1, then I can look forward to F5. I think maybe here, give up E5 square, get something else from that. I'll take here, open up this F file. This looks a bit dangerous for black. Oh, knight D5. Why not? Okay, so what's going on here? I've got time advantage. Bishop F4 doesn't do much. Bishop G5. Bishop E7. I don't want to swing the queen in. This is giving me a seemingly promising light square invasion. Knight E5 takes, check. Queen D7 takes, check. That looks like a good rook on the 7th. Anything better? I can't see anything that amazing. So I'll go for that, I think. Being stronger here, I think. So I'll take an F7. Okay, what interesting stuff is going on here? Bishop E3, try and get in Rook C1, Bishop C5. Good take on D5. His king seems exposed. So if I get Rook C1 and get Rook C7 in, I like the Rook on the 7th here. Okay, let's go for that. So Bishop C5 is looking naughty. King E6, maybe Bishop C4 there. Pardon me. Oh, my throat. So Bishop C5, or Bishop C4, or Bishop F4. Bishop F4 looks good. Hang on a sec. Takes Bishop C4. The king's getting dragged down the board. I think I might go for that. That looks good. Although I can't see anything that clear cut after King D4 right now. Okay, so I'll go with Bishop C4 first though. Maybe B3 just for Rook D1. So I'm threatening Rook D1. Mind you, then King C3. What about King F2 for Bishop E3? Oh, there's King E5 all the time. Okay, gotta be careful. Rook D1 for Bishop C3. Is there a mating net? What if I got the king here and then played Rook D1? There's still King C3, Bishop E5. King here, Bishop E3. There's always King E5 there. Okay, what's a way to make the black king here? Forcing moves. Rook F6 doesn't really do anything. Bishop E3 doesn't really do anything, does it? Okay. I think I'll try and get that E3 pawn. If I play King E2, and he's got a very adventurous king here in the centre. He hasn't got a light square bishop to check me. Okay, this c3 is a pain. He's got that. g3, I can hold the king. Maybe for bishop d3. Oh, maybe bishop takes e3 was worth it there. Okay, now if I take just the stop, rook d2, that would be embarrassing. What about taking and bishop b7 as Kf5? Nothing really clear cut. Taking and rook c4. That looks good. Yes, because otherwise king takes as rook d1. I think rook c4 here is really good. Oh, hang on. King e5. Not over. Whoops. So bishop f4, king e6. What about rook c8? There's no immediate check. So can I just try and get material if I can't make the king? That's a nasty pin. Nice resign. Okay, that's a pleasant welcome back. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I haven't been doing live commentary for a while. I thought I've been focusing on master games, and the over the board season has arrived, and I had a shaky start which I put on YouTube. It wasn't a great game, and I don't know, I think I was a bit put off, but this was good fun. I think so. I hope you enjoyed it, and interesting game. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube, and please check out the playlists. I have organised finally and numbered all the past 5-minute videos, so you can do YouTube searches, say Blitz hash 1500, 1501. You can use the YouTube search, or just check out the Blitz playlists. Okay, thanks very much.